Morning guys! Today we're planning a very special project. It's actually not a boat project, it's a fun project. It's something that we've been planning for a very long time. Now, the first time when I went out with a boat with a friend, he was supposed to show me how I sailed a boat and how I put the sails up and down, but no, instead we went out and he tossed me in the water and he threw me something that's called a subwing. It's basically something that lets you glide through the water like a manta ray, and this is exactly what I want. Now, Enrique and I will be building this and we're going to show you what exactly a subwing is.
I mean, probably if you're a sailor, you know what a subwing is because it's kind of a cool gadget. But if you know, a subwing is like your own personal mechanical manta ray that you can attach yourself to it. Imagine two wings and you can rotate them individually and you can glide on the water. You can go down if you want to, you can spin, you can go up. When we cross the Atlantic, we sailed from the Cape Verde Islands to Martinique, and when we arrived, we already started the project, and we built pretty much like the spine of the manta ray. So Sarah, show me what the spine is.
This is the spine of our manta ray. So we had this long metal rod and we had it cut in the middle, and we had two bearings actually welded onto the rods, and then the bearings welded together. So we have the maneuverability in the middle, so you can see it spins individually, and now we have to find a way to attach our wings to the spine. So there's a lot of mechanical anatomy that we have to think through. Hola chicos, antes de continuar con nuestro episodio, yo quisiera pedirles por un momento de su tiempo. Ajá, ¿no sabías que yo puedo hablar en español? Now, I know my Spanish is nowhere perfect yet. However, just knowing the basics of another language can literally open doors, and it helps me connect with people from all around the world. And that's exactly why I love LingoPie, the sponsor of this week's video. It lets you learn a new language while you're watching your favorite music videos, TV shows, and movies, including the ones on Netflix, all in a super engaging way. Now, I personally really like the interactive subtitles. Not only do they show the translation and definition, but the nouns, adjectives, and verbs are color-coded. It's like getting an instant lesson without even trying. Plus, you can loop or slow down the video so you never get lost in translation. Now, my favorite tool is the speech assistant. And if you've seen some of our episodes before, you may have noticed that my pronunciation can sometimes be way off. And even though I know how to spell the word, I might not be sure how to actually pronounce it. So this tool helps me nail the right pronunciation, so you guys actually understand what I'm saying. With my subscription, I have access to over 3,000 shows and movies in 13 languages. And the best part, new content is added all the time. I recently watched a music video by Lando by Gente de Zona, in Spanish obviously, and it was such an immersive experience because even though I understand some of the song, I was still able to add quite a few new words to my vocabulary, and I'm so excited to keep learning. LingoPie definitely takes language learning to a whole new level, so why not try it for yourself and see how fun and easy it can be.
No sabía nada, os lo juro.
No sabía nada, lo juro. Yes, I rocked it. Just head over to learn.lingopie.com/sv_Cuba or simply click the link in the description of this video and try LingoPie for free. Now, thank you everyone. Vielen Dank für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit und nun zurück zu unserem Video.
Okay, I have an idea. Look, I got this piece of stainless, and what I'm going to do, you want to hold in the camera please?
Of course.
Give me that.
Take the spine.
So, the idea is to weld, you see I have these nuts in here, And I may cut this around here, okay? The excess we'll throw it away. Well, we'll keep it, but we discard it. And then I want to weld this here. So the idea is to weld these nuts in here and then cut this so you have a nice little backing plate, and also that you can screw in the wing and take it out whenever you're not using it. Otherwise it's like 1 meter something, so it's gonna be very difficult to storage. And then after that we fiberglass all of it so it's solid. And in principle that I think that's gonna work. I mean, I've seen the original subwings and I think they are also fiberglass or something very similar, but they're like very expensive, and besides we like making things and we like inventing things, and it's more fun to do it that way. And it's also a project that I promised Sarah, like, I don't know, like 20 years ago.
Many years ago. So basically we're trying to build it like a rudder, like a boat's rudder, or basically 2 rudders that can move independently. And instead of the rudder post, obviously we have our spine, our metal core attached to a backing plate.
And I mean the backing plate, obviously when you build a rudder you have the rudder post, and then you have the metal that goes down and then spreads to the side to create that rigidity. Otherwise you can the rudder blade will just spin on the on the post, and this is what is going to be used for that. I think it's going to work, but we still have to go to somebody who actually weld the nuts. So we're going to take this into town and let's see if we can turn this into reality, and we can just glide.
We're gonna glide. Let's go.
Cada día doy las gracias a esta vida. Cada día me nace nueva melodía. Yo sabía que algún día llegaría. Qué alegría pasar el tiempo a tu lado. Qué alegría por haberte encontrado. Soy feliz, siento que todo he ganado.
So there's a machinery shop here, a little bit hidden in the back road.
It's very small, but I think they can do the job.
Yeah, and I hope you guys are following so far.
But once we start building everything and you can see how it's coming together, then you'll figure it out.
I hope so, and we figure it out as well, together with you. We took some notes, and we're basically looking for plywood that we are then going to cover in fiberglass. Look who's here!
Good, man.
I come to get some
This is our friend Sunshine.
Yeah.
Who's stalking us apparently.
Yeah, they're building a house, so I want to move in with them. So make sure we get my room. Get my room.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think this might be perfect. Each wing, we're looking at about 55 centimeters.
And what's the width?
And the width will be about 26.5 centimeters. Now we have some play here, so we can make it slightly bigger.
So something like 60 by 30.
Correct. Look at this. We got our wings. Now, of course, we're still gonna cut them into shape. We're not just gonna have this. But this is the next step. Complete.
A minute ago it was sunny and so hot, and now, man, it's pouring rain.
We stopped here in town for some breadfruit because we've never tried breadfruit before, and the gentleman has it ready. So this is, I believe, this is the unburned version. How long you leave it on the fire for?
About an hour.
An hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
But you cannot eat it before you burn it.
No, can't eat it.
You can't eat it raw.
Yeah, it's raw. Exactly.
Oh, it's like a large potato.
Yeah, we call this roast.
Roast.
Yeah, roasted breadfruit now.
Roasted breadfruit.
It can be about.
What do you eat it with?
Yeah.
You can eat it with fish, catfish, stewed chicken, like that.
Oh, look how it looks inside.
Yeah, that's the seed.
Oh.
See the brown thing?
No.
No, you take.
No.
I'm going to take out the seed.
No seed. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it's really warm still.
Yeah,
And
Try
it's, and it's kind of spongy.
it's fresh
Fresh.
roast.
Mmm.
Very
Oh, it's
nice.
nice. It's nice.
Let me
It's
try
like
it.
it's like a soft-boiled potato.
Yeah.
Oh, sticky. Oh, look at this.
We
Careful, don't drop
We
it.
call it tariari.
Best breadfruit.
Yeah.
No, man.
Tariari.
Nice.
It's like a potato without the sweetness of the sweet potato.
Yeah.
Oh, man, it's very nice. Mmm.
So if you don't have an open fire, how can you make it in the oven?
In the charcoal.
I love it. I'm gonna buy this every day now.
Put it on the stove.
On top of the stove?
Yeah. And then you turn it, you turn it, and you turn it. Yeah, the lightning, when it's flash, it burns them.
It burns it.
Yes.
Oh, so it gets dark spots if
Yeah.
it gets hit by lightning, the tree.
Yes.
Oh,
I think anything get hit by lightning will get that response.
yeah, probably, but maybe you shouldn't eat that then.
Awesome, thank you, man.
Have this for dinner.
Yeah.
Cheers, man.
Yeah.
Stay away from the lightning.
Yeah. The next step was to weld our two backing plates to the swiveling mechanism. Although we like to do everything ourselves, grinding and welding something on a polyester board is definitely something we wouldn't recommend to do, since every little spark will create a mark, leaving your board looking like it's full of freckles. Hello, it's a new day and a new phase of our project. So we got all of our pieces prepared now. We asked the gentleman to add some bolts so we can attach our swivel mechanism properly to our wood. This is Enrique's responsibility because he's the technical one. And then I will be cutting our wooden sheets to shape.
I will be attaching this, like Sarah was saying, to the wood and then fiberglass in it as well, so you don't hurt yourself when you're gliding on the water. And like Sarah was saying, she's gonna draw kind of the shape of the wing, and whether I'm gonna cut it or she's gonna cut it. But first I want to see how it's gonna look before I start attaching this, because also we have to kind of round the edges as well, just to make sure that everything is nice before because we have to paint it as well and cover it with epoxy, so it's all gonna be good. I hope so.
So this is the design that I'm trying to aim for, and I'm quite confident I can replicate it, apart from maybe the bend here on the top. That's gonna be a little bit more tricky, but let's see. So I have to create a little bit of a curve for the wing. Okay, I'm just gonna do our outlines. So we have a length of 57 centimeters and the width is gonna be about 26.5. So we've taken this from a generic model online, I guess. Okay, I think I got the design kinda. So this is our wing. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more for Nick once he starts cutting it. So we have 2 attachment points here. So this is the right wing. We got the 2 attachment points here for the line that goes into one for pulling, and then there will be another attachment point down here that will be attached to the other side, the other wing, so you can actually hold from the middle as well. But all of this is going to make a lot more sense once we start putting it together. Okay, that didn't work out too badly, but now it's Anika's job to actually cut out the wing. Things are becoming more serious.
Woo! Yeah, look at this, man.
Oh wow!
How does this go? Nada.
It looks better than I thought. Somehow I couldn't get the shape in my head at first. Pretty good. Follow us next week as we continue to assemble and finally reveal our project. Will it actually work, and will we lose our swim trunks trying it? To find out, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next video.
What do you mean?